Hi everyone, I am an undergraduate at Java Institute for Advanced Technology. This is our fifth video of website development video series. So we have already created our user interface and we gave the sign up and sign in functionality to this page. Also we added a remember me option to this page. Today we are going to talk about forget password option. So as you can see, because of the remember me option, my details have been already filled. So right now let's talk about how this function works. So if I forget my password or if I need to reset my password, then I can click on this forget password button and forget password link, and then it will send me this kind of a alert. It says verification course has been sent to your email. Please check your email. So if I go to email, it says that I have got a verification code. So inside my page, this kind of a model has been appeared. So here I can type my new password and retype the same password and then apply the verification that I got from the server. So when I do that, I can update my password in the database. So first of all, let's take a look at our current password. It's 123456 for this email that I'm been using for this example. So as you can see, it has created the verification code. So let's try for another password 123123. Right, I can click this button to show the password. So I will type the same password here, as you can see right here. All right, so also this, if I mistype something, it gives me an error that password doesn't match, so I must have to type the same password. So we have been validate our data in these input fields. So now I'm gonna copy this verification code that I got, and I will paste it in this field, and when I reset password, it says password reset success. So let's take a look at in our database. So currently it's 123456. That was our previous password. So let's refresh this. As you can see, it has been changed according to our needs. So that is what the process is. So let's take a look at our code. Here for the module that you have seen, we will be using JavaScript, uh, Bootstrap JavaScript module that has been provided by Bootstrap. So in the Bootstrap page, in the module section, this model will be used for the uh, model that pop-up part. So here I have used this code to create that model in my code. As you can see, this is that model. I have modified that according to my needs. I have added some new fields, new buttons, and new inputs. So then I have assigned them IDs, and for the close bar, for the reset password option, I have assigned a reset password function call on click event. So in JavaScript, as you can see, when that function has been called, what it does is it takes the email from the input field of our sign-in page and it send that email with a AJAX request to our server. So to this forget password process file with the get method, and in forget password process we have something like this. So in here we have taken some other PHP pre-made files as well. So for this password reset process, we need to verify our we need to send an email to our current email. So we will be using this smtp.php and pop3.php and php mailer.php as well as oout.php. So these codes have been made with some other programmers. We will be using them to set up our. So as you can see, I have imported them, and I'm gonna use that PHP mailer to send a mail to my mail. So first of all, I will take the email that I took from the input field, and I set up a query to check if that uh, email has been exist on my database. If so, then it will create a email, and it will send that email to me, email to the email address that I have put on input field of the sign in page. So here I have set up my password and username, that means the email address for the email sending process, and we have already set up our email verification part in the email management section in Google. So we have gotten a password to use for that purpose, and here in the JavaScript, when the in PHP, when the email has been sent, it gives us a success as a response. So then we will hide our model and we will show a message like this. That means the verification code has been sent to your email address. So then we get the email to our email address. So as soon as you enter the details and hit reset password, as you can see right here, then it will call this last function in the JavaScript. So here what we do is we take all the data from all the inputs in that model and we put them in a form, and we create an Ajax request and we send that form to our server to this file reset password process.php. So in that file we firstly take those details from the JavaScript and we validate them with this part. And here I have created a query to search if that email that verification code match the email. If so, then I will update the new password to the previous password or the previous password and give a success response, and if not, it will give an error. So when the success response get to the when the JavaScript get this success response, it will hide the model and alert the password reset has been succeed. So the password will be reset on the database, as well as we will be able to use our new password with our account. So that is the process we have been used with this forget password option. We have used bootstrap.javascript and some other authentication PHP files that created from by other developers. So that is it for today. I will meet you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching.